Good morning, 7th class. So today is 30th, 10/20 and today is Friday. So I have already explained you this topic, verb and its kinds, right? We have done that from our grammar book and I hope all of it is clear to you. And now I'm going to explain you from some other books that will make you easier. आपको मैं दूसरी बुक से समझा रही हूँ. It will be easier for you to understand it. Now here are the verbs. Based on different function, verbs is classified into three kinds as under. Right? Three kinds के हमारे verbs होते हैं. First is doing verb. That is the action word, actual action word. That is the doing word. It is also known as the action verb. जो main verb होता है, that is the action verb. Like for example, eat, do, work, play, study, dance, sing, etc. So whatever action we are doing in the sentence, that is the main verb, doing word or action verb. Clear? Second are being verbs. It is also known as the existence verb. For example, is, am, are, be verbs. जिससे मैंने आपको समझाया था ना, be verbs है. ये be की forms है. Okay, so उनको हम बोलते हैं being verb or we can say it existence verb. For example, is, am, are, was, were, be and being. So these are used to show the time of the action or the existence की means किस वक्त वो action हुआ है. Tells about the time. Third one is the helping verb, that is known as the auxiliary verbs also. Helping verb or auxiliary. These are having verbs. Sorry. So इसमें have की सारी forms आ जाती हैं बच्चे. जैसे it is also known as the possession verb. Has, have, had, having, etc. Clear? आपकी बुक में भी यही था. I have told you. See here. This was the main verbs, link verbs, helping verbs. Main verbs वही action words आ गए. Link verbs be, become, get, row, and helping verbs are was, can, his, will. These types. So they are a bit different but almost same. So now, doing verb. I am just giving you some examples so that it will be more clear to you. It denotes the action done by the subject of the sentence. Subject ने जो action किया वो action के बारे में doing verbs बताते हैं. Means जो है main verbs. I eat my meals regularly. I eat my meals regularly. Means here the main action is this. So this is the doing word. They do their duty well. Here again the main action is do. Farmers work very hard. The main action is work. Children play in the park. Main action is play. Study your lessons well. This is the main verb. They dance on the stage. Dance is the action word, main action word. We sing national anthem every day. Sing. So all these are the action words which is done by the subject. Now comes the being words. It denotes the being or existence or the subject of the sentence. Like इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आप जो सब्जेक्ट है वो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. एग्जिस्ट मीन्स इट इज देयर. लाइक आई एम अ स्टूडेंट. हियर एम. इससे आपको सेंटेंस में व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आई एम अ स्टूडेंट मीन्स एज अ स्टूडेंट आई एग्जिस्ट हियर. एम. सो हियर एम इज अ बीइंग वर्ड. बीइंग मीन्स और द बी फॉर्म वर्ब्स हैं. क्लियर? Rohan is my friend. Here again it is a be form. Rohan is my friend. So it is talking about in the present form because is, am, are used in the present form. Then they are our neighbors. Now the subject is in plural, so the verb will also be used in the plural form. They are our neighbors. Again here it tells about the existence of our neighbors. The dog was dead. Was आ गया बच्चे है ना, तो that means something has happened in the past. The dog was dead. They, again the subject is plural, so we will use the verb also plural. They were at home. It is also the past tense. These both are the past tense. Be on time. Here we are giving a command, be on time. So here this one is the being verb. Having verb. It denotes the belonging or possession of the subject of a sentence. Having words से you come to know about the belonging or the possession. Means आपको ये पता चलता है कि ये चीज़ मेरी है. This thing is possessed by me. It is my thing. So it tells about the belonging. कि कोई चीज़ आपकी है या वो उसका possession आपके पास है. ये आपको having verb से पता चल जाता है. Suppose if you say I have a red pen. तो इससे आपको पता चला ना कि आपके पास क्या है, रेड पेन है. तो बिलोंग आप मीन्स जो रेड पेन है वो किसको बिलोंग करता है, आपको. तो हियर हैव, ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी मीन्स ही हैज लॉट ऑफ मनी मीन्स उसके पास बहुत पैसे हैं. तो मीन्स अगेन यू कम टू नो अबाउट दैट ही इज possessing a lot of money. So has and have are used in the present tense. And when we are using the had, that means we are talking about something happened in the past. They had a big house. उनके पास बड़ा घर था, had. So this is in the past tense. Is it clear to all of you? So we talked about doing verb, being verb, and having verb. It was just for your explanation because आपको थोड़ा और अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. Now take out your notebooks and we will do this practice exercise. I have already sent you this one. Have you done this? And you are not sending me the notebooks, बच्चे. Either you get it checked online, you send it in the PDF form at my personal number. Complete your work. जितना मैंने स्टार्ट करवाया जहाँ से, narrow escape from the literature, and in the grammar we have done the determiners and now we are doing the verbs. So whatever I have make you done. You should complete that work and send your notebooks in the PDF form at my number, or you submit your notebooks at the reception on Monday positively. Those who have completed their work, they can submit their notebooks on Monday or Tuesday, but it will be okay if you submit that on Monday. Earlier you submit, it's better for you. So 2 days earlier I have sent you this. On 28th I sent you this practice exercises. I hope you have done this. You all have to do this in your notebooks. So it's better you write down. We have completed this 2 days earlier. Then this, we must keep our locality clean. And here I have told you about the must and ought. Must is used to express the strong obligation or to express a necessity. So you must improve your handwriting. The country must assure education for all. So do these two exercises. You have to complete these two exercises also. And now we are going to do the next one today, 30th, Friday. Now we'll start with this. Write down practice exercise number 3, because 2 I have already sent you, which I have just shown you. Verbs and its kinds. Underline the verbs used in the following sentences and say whether they are doing, being or having verbs. Means ये क्या आपके action main verb है, be verb है या have verb है. Okay? Boys laughed at the poor man. Boys laughed at the poor man. So here the action word क्या है हमारा, verb क्या है हमारा, ये है. ठीक है. This is our verb. So इसमें ये क्या आपको लग रहा है? Is it a main verb or a being verb? Laughed. It's a main action done by the. So here it is a doing verb. मेन वर्ब है ना बच्चे ये, इसलिए. These pictures look beautiful. these pictures look beautiful. Here the verb is look. Now look beautiful, इससे आपको क्या पता चलता है बच्चे? What does it tells you about the picture? It looks beautiful, right? तो ये कौन सा वाला verb हुआ बच्चे? Which one? Being. ये आपको बता रहा है कि ये जो है एग्जिस्ट करती है. Looks beautiful. The pictures look beautiful. This is also doing verb. This is also doing verb. He was an old man. Was. Now here was. So it is very clear that it is a be form. So यहाँ पे आएगा being verb. Being verb. Clear? Was. I don't have enough money. I don't have. So this is having verb. I'm not well today. Am. It is again being word. They invited us to dinner. They invited. Invited is the action, so this is the main verb. So it is the doing verb. All of us were present in the class yesterday. All of us were present. Were present. Here verb भी है और present भी है, तो क्या होगा इसमें? All of us were present in the class yesterday. Yes, वर्ब किस में आएगा? वर्ब तो बच्चे बी फॉर्म में आता है, तो इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आप एग्जिस्ट कर रहे थे, कल क्लास में थे, तो इट इज अ बीइंग वर्ब. नेपाल इज इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. इससे आपको पता चल रहा है नेपाल कहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट करता है, सो इट इज ऑल्सो अ बीइंग वर्ब. He. Nepal is in the north of India. Being verb. He hangs the painting on the wall. Here the verb is hangs. So it is a doing verb. India has the second largest population in the world. Has means इससे आपको पता चलता है possess कर रहा है. इंडिया की कितनी पॉपुलेशन है आपको इससे पता चल रहा है. So this is a having word. Having verb. I hope it is more clear to you. Verb and its kind. Right? आपको ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा इससे. So, all of you complete this exercise in your notebooks as well as these two exercises also. It should be there in your notebooks in the lesson verb and its kinds. You have to write the definition and kinds from your book, from your grammar book. And after that, as I have told you many times, and after that you have to do these practice exercise number 1, exercise number 2 and exercise number 3, verbs and its kinds. So these 3 practice exercises I have sent you, and all of you should write and complete your notebooks with these.